What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Luigi back at it again with a brand new video, and today we're going to be doing a different kind of video. This isn't usually the type of videos that I make, but today we are going to be doing sneakerhead life hacks. Now, on my sneaker journey, I've learned of a lot of tips and tricks. I've gotten me through a lot of rough times within my sneaker collecting journey, so I thought it'd be a cool idea just to share with you guys. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. It would be really much appreciated. And if you do like the video and if some of these tips and hacks did help you out, please hit that like button. It does really go a long way. The more likes this video gets, the more YouTube recommends it. The more that YouTube recommends this video, the more people will see it, and the better chance that a brand will reach out to your boy and sponsor the channel. So if you guys are a big supporter of the channel, if you want to see us do great, hit that like button. Click that little bell, stay notified, because we do drop videos every single week. You guys can catch me on my Instagram at _Luigi if you guys want to stay updated on my behind the scenes content, sneaker content, clothing content, or if you just want to message me to chop it up. My messages are always open to you guys, but let's get into the video. First life hack we're going to be talking about is some shoelaces. I got a pair of Jordan 4s right here, Jordan 4 white cements. We got some cream laces that are on here. These sneakers did not come with these laces originally. I did pick them up from this website called Ropelacesupply. I talk about these all the time. I've done multiple videos where I lace swap sneakers and I've copped shoelaces from here. It is my #1 and best place to get shoelaces from. Super affordable. They have everything you could possibly imagine. They have Yeezys. They have Ultra Boost laces. They have Jordan 1 laces. It's just pretty much anything you pretty much want, most likely they have it. They have 3M laces. So I got these shoelaces from Ropelacesupply. There's these cream laces. They're super dope. They look super clean. It just really just switches up the whole entire look of the sneaker. I did do lace swaps for multiple sneaker reviews for my Air Force Ones when I did the custom to make them look like the Union ones. I did do a lace swap with these orange sneakers, and I also threw in some sale laces. I have some black laces right here, some cream laces. So if you guys are interested, and I know you guys are always wondering, like, you know, where I get my shoelaces from, almost every single sneaker review video that I do, it's a really cool life hack. And if you guys are looking to switch up your sneaker, give it a different look, or if you guys just want to just buy some extra shoelaces just in case one of yours just goes bad, really do recommend Ropelacesupply. Just another one on the life hack list. Another life hack we're going to be talking about, we have a pair of Jordan 1 Sports Illustrated highs. What is the hack that I'm going to be talking about? I know from camera all you really see is just a pair of Jordan 1 highs. Nothing too special, but the life hack that we're going to be talking about is actually inside of the sneaker. As you guys can see, we do have the shoe tree, what the shoe tree actually looks like. Now, the purpose of this is to keep it from creasing. It makes it look a lot better. As you guys can see, it pretty much looks like brand freaking new, like when I just bought the sneaker, even though I've worn these like multiple times. Shoe tree is definitely a good life hack, and definitely a good hack that you guys should pick up. So if you guys are worrying about your sneakers creasing, or if you guys have a lot of sneakers on display and want them to look super fresh, I really do recommend the shoe tree. They're super cheap and you can pretty much get them anywhere. If you don't have an IKEA near you, you can definitely pick them up from Amazon or eBay as well. Link to these will be down below. Number 3 on the list for another life hack is actually going to be some websites that I do cop some sneakers from. The first one on the list of stores that I do cop sneakers from is Endclothing. So Endclothing, if you guys are unfamiliar with, it's a UK based brand. They do have a wide selection of sneakers. They have Adidas, they have Reebok, they have Puma, they have Nike, they have Jordans, they have Fear of God sometimes too. They have Converse, they have like Rick Owens, they have like so many freaking brands on it, and actually their sales selection is actually pretty fire. And I do cop a lot of sneakers from here, but just keep in mind it is a UK based brand, so the sneakers that you're buying are from overseas. Sometimes I do purchase my sneakers from Endclothing. It's a really good website. I do shout them out all the time, but let's keep it moving. Another brand we're gonna be talking about is Undefeated. Now, I shout them out so freaking much. I can't even tell you guys how many sneakers I've purchased from Undefeated. Not only are they a cool street brand, a very definitely iconic street brand. If you guys are into streetwear, then you know about Undefeated, but their website is actually really good too to cop some sneakers. And just like Endclothing, their sales selection is really freaking amazing. They don't really have as much brands as Endclothing does, but Undefeated, their sales selection is really fire. They have Vans, they have Nikes, they do have some Jordans. Sometimes they do have some Yeezys that actually sit. So if you guys are looking for like a sleeper website on release day when a sneaker is dropping, definitely do recommend Undefeated. They do get the hype releases as well, and they usually do sit because not a lot of people do know that they usually get most of the hype sneakers. So Undefeated is really cool clothing, but also their footwear section is actually pretty fire. So Undefeated and Endclothing, just 2 sleeper websites. Second on the list for sneakerhead life hacks, we actually have an app that has actually saved me so much time and so much frustration. So if you're someone like me who just never gets lucky on like sneaker raffles, or just always misses like whenever a sneaker drops, or you just can never just cop anything just because you have like the worst luck and like the sneakers app freaking hates you. I know I'm talking about me, but I'm just trying to see if anyone else out there just kind of feels my pain. It's actually an app called SoleLinks. Now this app right here, specifically what it does, it lets you know whenever a sneaker drops. They give you the website direct link to it. It lets you know when a sneaker restocks. Pretty much anything with sneakers. If you guys are afraid to miss the drop, this app has saved me so much time, and I've always feel like I'm always gonna miss something. I've actually purchased a couple sneakers from this app, and it's actually saved me so much time. So if you guys do want to stay updated on some sneaker releases, instead of just following them on Instagram or following them on Twitter, whatever you do, download this app. It will save you a bunch of time. It will take you directly to there, and you have a better chance of copying these hype sneakers that usually I miss a lot. Coming in at number 1 on the Sneakerhead Life Hacks, we have this right here. Now you're probably wondering what this is. This is called a Uniposca. I believe this is a Chinese or Japanese. I'm not really sure which kind of Asian brand this is, but this is a paint marker right here. You can do actually a lot of stuff with this. You can actually do DIYs on your sneaker and actually paint them white. They do offer these a lot of colors. This one right here is a white one, and I actually did a really cool DIY custom on a pair of Jordan 1. These are my Jordan 1 satin highs. Now originally the sneaker came in all just triple black, but I actually colored in the Nike swoosh right here on the side because I'm just not a big fan of like the all black right here. So I actually did a DIY and actually painted the whole entire swoosh white, and just my opinion, it just looks a lot cleaner. Me personally, I'm just not a big fan of like all triple black sneakers, but like I said before, they do offer this paint marker in multiple colors. So let's say you have an all white sneaker and you want to paint the Nike swoosh black, they do offer this in black too. I've seen a couple customs from it. Actually really glad how it came out. So number 1 on the list is going to be your own paint marker, and you can do your own custom DIYs to any sneakers that you guys want. So I really highly recommend it. That's gonna be pretty much it for my top 5 Sneakerhead life hacks. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. I had a ton of fun making it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We'd really appreciate it. Hit that like button if you guys did enjoy the video, and click that little bell to stay notified because we do drop videos every single week. Follow the cameraman on his Instagram at Leon_Kev. If you guys appreciate all the dope on-feed shots and all the photos, it would be really appreciated if you can give him a follow, Leon_Kev. Also follow me on my Instagram at _LouisG to stay updated on my behind the scenes content, sneaker content, clothing content, or if you just want to message me to chop it up, my messages are always open. That's gonna be pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.